Kate Milfolger to Toni Creates, and exciting day today. Unboxing Angela Kerr. My parcel came with her bundle, her fabric bundle. And I'm just trying to see how to open this. Like this. I've just taken the, I suppose I could take, let's just slide everything out, guys. Ooh. Some bubble wrap, make sure there's nothing in the package, nothing in the box. I'll have to go throw that away. Keep that for jelly printing. And there's a, oh, thank you so much for your order. Hugs. I have an Angela Kerr original ephemera. Isn't this tissue paper gorgeous? So it's lovely packaging. So excited, guys. So let's go. What's this? Oh, I love that. Yellow daisies, and they're tiny. I've got gold ones, but they're bigger with the gold center. Love that. Oh, and I didn't realize there were buttons. I'm trying to keep the bag. Try to keep the bag. So of course all the buttons will match the color of the fabrics, guys. It's like, look at that. Oh, and I love the size of these. Oh, that's too gorgeous. And you know what I'm going to do, guys? Let me show you what I am doing at the moment. Is I'm putting all my colored buttons on book pages. Now this is a book page that's a single sheet, so you see it's really, really good quality. And I'm just doing that because I never use my buttons, so I'm going to do the same with these, and then obviously put the name of the collection down on that. So, oh, look at these gorgeous packaging, absolutely gorgeous. Now sticker, okay, now the sticker is a little bit sticky. So what am I looking for? I am looking for my craft knife. So, because I don't want to damage my packet, I definitely want to use this packet, but let's just go like that. So we can open. Okay, this is the fabric, guys. So you get little pieces of fabric, which is just gorgeous. These are, I think, these are, it's probably 9 3/4 by 6 3/4. So, oh, look at that. So they're all matchy, but different. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Love every single one of these. Oh, that's, and now this is Angela's own design fabric. So this is enough for a journal cover. So we are definitely going to be using this as a journal cover. Isn't that gorgeous? So those are fabulous. Just love it. Now, guys, you might think this is expensive. I paid with my postage and packaging 70 odd euros, and then I had the misfortune of the Irish customs officers charging me an extra 18 euros. So at the end of the day, it was thing. Now the postage is justified, that I don't mind, but the common income is like, really, guys, almost half of what I paid for the item. But anyway, I will definitely be getting this again. I have ways and means. I'm not having to. I have friends in high places. Oh, look, some more. Look at this packet. Isn't this, I don't know where she gets her packaging from. This is just stunning. So of course, you know, junk journalists will be using every single piece of this. That's why I'm torturing you with this, taking it slow. Oh, I'm so delighted with it. Now, like I said, I could go out and I could probably buy yards and yards of fabric and spend 80 euros, not even, guys. Fabric here is so expensive, and literally have to import everything anyway. But I can have a whole set that's all coordinated. So if I do a journal, I just like don't have to be searching, nothing. So, and this is the main reason, is for the ribbons. Oh my goodness, there's underneath as well. Oh my soul. This is, I mean, look at this, guys. Where am I going to source stuff like this? And the width of things as well. I just like, oh, here's a, oh look, guys, look. This one is double-sided. Are they all like that? No, these wouldn't be. Yes, they are. This one's double-sided. That's double-sided. See, when I mean double-sided, it's that the pattern's on both sides, so this one isn't. And this is how you normally get ribbon. So that's, oh, that's great. Oh, that's fabulous. Love, 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 love. Okay, King and more. Oh, look at the scars. There's just, and look at that. That is great. Having same in two different widths. I'm going to have to get a special box to put this stuff in. Oh, and there's another one. And this is actually the first reason I bought it, and this is the second, the ribbon, the second is the laces. Oh my goodness, guys. This is just too gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. Look at this teeny tiny one. Look how cute that is. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with this. Right, guys. So that's my fabulous unboxing of my Angela Kerr. Just, I think it's worth the money. It is an initial outlay, but I think I will definitely, this is a sort of a blue and green. I think if she comes out with a pink and a beige, a neutral sort of, I will definitely be getting. It's kind of like your whole embellishments for one project or two projects or three projects, if you know what I mean. It's just everything's there. What can I say? What can I say? And then you get it in this beautiful packaging. So thank you, Angela, for that. Now, guys, for the boring stuff. This is so exciting. Oh, right. What did I bring back on holiday? Guys, I don't know what goes on in my head. What goes on in my head? Because look what I brought back in my suitcase. Hubby and I had parfait, sort of moussey, chocolatey things, and I just loved the shape of these. So I brought them back. I didn't have check-in luggage. I had carry-on luggage. I had this on in my carry-on luggage. So I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but anyway, I now have 2 pots, so we'll see. Going to get stuff chucked in them. Then I went to one of the supermarkets, Continente, and found these, guys. Now I want to keep those for my Connect group. I found these, which are, I thought, oopsie, sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just go like that then. If you really don't want to let go. This is actually quite good packaging. These are giant doilies. Like giant, guys. Giant. Look at that. So I'm gonna have to make a plan with that. And I think there should be 3, so I just want to try and get one out here. They weren't literally stuck in. And it was €1.40. 2 of them I paid €1.44, and 2 of them I paid €1, so they were on special. So nice and cheap and cheerful. Yeah, so I thought you could do something really interesting with that. Now, I haven't thought about it. I just got back from holiday, so I'm doing this so I can actually pack things away. And also at the Continente, I got these discs. What are these? These are for like that. What are these? These are like for this current Marguerite Miller book. You see these discs? Like that. Look, I stuck this week's challenge in. So these fit in your pages. So I thought these papers are actually, see, it fits in there like that. Yes, I do have a punch like that. So I thought I'm going to get these, and I'm going to change up this book. Well, I'll keep this book going because we might want to do some like paper ones, but it's I can see things getting damaged and it's getting a bit flimsy, so I want to actually, I'm changing up the base of my Marguerite Miller challenge book, so you will see that next challenge, hopefully, if I can get myself organized. Okay, so that's what I got at Continente. And then okay, let's do packaging. I bought this utensil container, so we're going to use it. I bought this toilet paper holder. I know, guys, it's kind of sad, isn't it? But it's really sturdy cardstock, and I thought this would make a great stamper for circles. You know, something that lasts me years, so let's go in my jelly printing thing that I never do. Okay, then this, we went to Tiger shop. We have a Tiger in Dublin, but I never ever go to it. And I thought these tacky, blingy flowers we might use. So I bought those. Then we went to Sylvia's, which has a big fort on it. And then they had these stickers, guys, and I love them. There's a lot of tiles, pottery tiles and things like that. So God, it's just one sticker. It's just the one. I don't know if I think there's even more glare on the sticker, guys. But it's just a sticker. Let's see, without the glare. So I got those. Then I went to a charity shop, yes. And there was an Englishman behind the counter. And I got this shrink plastic for the art of rubber stamping, card making, jewelry and scrapbooking. I had to go onto YouTube to see what it was about. So I'm going to try this. Apparently you color in an image and then you shrink it. I have no idea how to shrink it. Using a heating tool. Okay, I'll do a regular oven and heat it for 107. Place the plastic on a baking tray lined with wait until it lies flat. Okay, so we'll try that. We'll see. Try that in the next few weeks. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my random video, but I'm so delighted. I am now going to go and stick down bits of lace and fabric. Anyway, guys, have a fabulous midweek, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheerio now.